happy, cold, wet, cloudy, windy February morning. Not really a great day to be out doing fun stuff, but it is a terrific day to get some work done out here. So, in case you're wondering why in the heck there is a picnic table in the middle of these woods, we use this for our range. And when we bought it 6-7 years ago, it actually has done phenomenally well. The one thing that I did miss on this whole thing is that these are not pressure treated lumber, so that is my mistake, but we are simply out here replacing pieces. Now you can tell the seat and some of the sides have been done, but the challenge out here, as you can see, we go around, we are in the middle of nowhere. I can go all the way around without getting us all dizzy and vomiting, including myself. So getting stuff in here, making cuts and so forth is a little extra work, but we're going to get it done. But first we're going to remove this. All we really need to do today is just fix this top. Everything else has been done. So we're going to rip this top off of there and then head up to the cabin and make some cuts. This that looks horrible. Just cover that back up. Anyway, let's get started. So we're about to make a cut on these boards. Got 3 sections of 2x10. Actually had to buy those because I had nothing else to repurpose. The 2x4, we're going to use that for supports underneath the table. There were not 2x4s on it, but we're going to make it work. After all, it's just a freaking table in the middle of the woods for shooting. So we're going to get started on that. If you've never used these speed squares for a guide, I know some folks are probably like, duh. But this is actually a handy way out in the woods. You can actually use this edge right here and literally run this circular saw up against it, if that makes sense. You'll see me doing it in the video whenever I cut. But it's really a handy way when you're out here and you can't bring a lot of equipment and you need to make some precise cuts. And I even remembered my safety glasses, so I don't have to rely on safety squints. Anyway, let's get started. All right, we're down here ready to put these 2x10s on. You can see I did a little bit of prep work just to kind of speed us up. So all you've got here is the 2x4s underneath, bolted on just like they were when I bought it. And we're gonna just install these 2x10s. Just gonna use deck screws. There's no need to go crazy with this. All it is a table sitting in the middle of the woods. It'll be fine. Now let's get to work. Okay, we're all set. We actually have it done, remarkably so, and the sun's actually trying to come out. Of course, it would do that when we're about to leave. That's typical. But anyway, we've got it all set up. You can see we got this goofy cover on it, which actually just helps. But that's all pressure treated lumber, and this should have no problems. And you can see, if you look down through there, you can see the different targets. So it's a cool setup. I've already got a range video. You can watch it, but it's a pretty cool setup, and the table works out perfect, and it is level, which makes a big difference for us. But thank you, everybody, for watching. I appreciate it. Again, this is just some simple stuff that we do out here in the woods on this property. Hope this was helpful for some folks, but I am going to go try to get in somewhere where it's warm, and I will see you guys later.